Welcome everyone to another exciting journey. Today in Microsoft Excel we will learn Microsoft Excel basics, how to use formulas, how to add series, how to rename and add sheet, how to copy and duplicate files. So let's start. To open a new file, go to File tab, click on New, click on Blank Workbook. This is the workbook name. By default, it is written as book followed by number. Down, this is the worksheet name. By default, it is the sheet followed by a number. Click here to add more sheets. This is the result. This is a single cell. These are the rows. In total, a sheet has more than 1 million rows. These are the columns. In total, a sheet has more than 16,000 columns. This is the name box. The name box is the name for a cell. The name box consists of the column name plus the row number. This is the formula bar. Whatever you type in the cell can be seen on the formula bar. Now to copy the content from one cell to the next, select the cell, go to copy on the Home tab. You can see the change. Now press the down arrow on the keyboard. Click on Paste. Now you can see the text overlapping on the line. To move the line, take a mouse pointer over the line between column A and column B. It will change its shape to a plus sign as shown. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag to the right. This is the result. Next we will learn how to add formulas. Now enter the desired number in the first cell and press enter on your keyboard. Enter the desired number in the second cell and press enter on your keyboard. Go to Auto Sum in the editing group. Click on Sum. You can see it automatically selects the cells above the formula. Press the enter button on your keyboard. This is the result. Next we will learn how to add series. To add a series as shown here, enter the first number and press enter. Enter the second number and press enter. Now go back to the first cell. Inside the first cell, left click on your mouse. Keeping the left click pressed, drag the mouse pointer to the next cell. Take your mouse pointer to the right bottom corner of the selected cells. The mouse pointer will change shape to black plus sign as shown. Keeping the left mouse button clicked, drag the mouse pointer down till cell E15. This is the result. Next we will learn a second method to how to add a series. For that, enter the first number and press enter. Go back to the first cell. Take your mouse pointer to the right bottom corner. The mouse pointer will change its shape to black plus sign. Keep the left mouse button clicked and drag the mouse pointer down till cell E15. Now click on the drop down button on the right bottom and select Fill Series, and this is the result. Next, we will learn how to rename a worksheet. To do so, keep your mouse pointer on the tab of the sheet 1 and right click on your mouse. Select Rename. Now rename the tab and press enter. This is the result. Next, we will see how to duplicate or copy a worksheet. To do so, keep a mouse pointer on the tab 1 and right click on the mouse. Select Move or Copy. Select on the desired location where you want to move the sheet and press OK. Or you can even click on this box if you want to create a copy of the selected sheet and press OK. This is the result. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you next week with another video. Please leave your questions in the comment sections below. Like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.